Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to give your jewelry photos that extra sparkle and shine, all using Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a fast, clever technique for making jewelry look brighter, more eye-catching, and polished for online stores, social media, or even just to impress your friends. So if you're tired of lackluster product shots, stick with me and let's jump in. First things first, open up your jewelry photo in Photoshop. Once it's loaded, our very first step is to duplicate the background layer. You can do this easily by right-clicking on your background layer and choosing Duplicate Layer, or just by pressing Ctrl+J, CMD+J if you're on a Mac. Now, you might be wondering, why do we duplicate the layer? Well, this gives us a safety net. Any edits we make won't mess with the original image, and it also lets us blend effects between layers for a much more realistic result. Think of it like working on tracing paper above your drawing. You get flexibility, and you can always dial changes back if you need to. With your two layers in place, let's go to the bottom layer. Click on it to select it. This is important because we want all our flare effects to happen underneath the copy. Now, head up to the menu bar and choose Filter. Then scroll down to Render and select Lens Flare. This tool is a hidden gem for adding dramatic highlights, and it comes built right into Photoshop. No need for extra plugins. A dialog box pops up, and here's where you get to be artistic. You'll notice a little preview window showing your image. Use your mouse to click and drag the lens flare directly onto a key highlight of your jewelry on the short. For instance, if you have a diamond earring, place the flare right where the light naturally catches the stone. You want to enhance the sparkle without making it look artificial, so take a moment here to position it thoughtfully. Adjust the brightness slider as well. Sometimes you want a strong flare for highly reflective pieces, but for softer gold or silver, dial it back just a bit. Remember, subtlety goes a long way. Once you're satisfied, hit OK. Now, don't worry if you don't see anything happening right away. The lens flare is probably hidden behind the top layer. This is totally normal, so let's move on to the next step. Go ahead and select the top layer, the one we duplicated earlier. What we need to do here is change its blending mode. Up at the top of the Layers panel, find the drop-down that currently says Normal. Click it and scroll to Soft Light. When you select Soft Light, Photoshop blends your top layer with the bottom one, letting through those bright, dynamic highlights from the lens flare below. It's like putting on a pair of sunglasses that only lets the good bits of shine come through. But we're not done yet. The last thing we want to adjust is the opacity of our top layer. You'll find the opacity slider right next to the blending mode. Try lowering the opacity gradually, maybe to 70% or even 40%, whatever looks best for your particular photo. Keep an eye on your jewelry. As you adjust, you'll see those highlights slowly blend in, giving your piece a natural glow rather than an obvious edit. This is where you get to play. Take a few moments to fine-tune until your jewelry looks just right. And that's it. You've just learned a super effective way to make any jewelry photo shine and sparkle in Photoshop. If you ran into any issues, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the flare placement and opacity just perfect. Practice on a couple different photos, and soon you'll master the technique. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and let me know your questions or favorite tips in the comments. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy editing tricks, digital art tips, and photography tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.